Start by choosing a flat area, free from sharp objects, to set up your Darche Retreat Annex. If setting up the unit for the first time, you will need to drill 2 holes in the Darche Eclipse awning arms. To do this, use the template provided in the instructional manual. Cut out the template and use it to mark out and drill the 2 required holes. Use a 3mm drill bit for the pilot hole, then increase the hole size to 8mm. Begin the setup by removing the annex from its carry bag. Unroll it and lay it out flat underneath your awning. Assemble the twist lock spreader bar and position the spigot ends into the pre-drilled holes at the end of each perpendicular rafter arm. Then, apply tension and twist lock to secure. Locate the sail track skirt. At first use, this may be attached to the awning, so will need to be unzipped before proceeding. Slide the sail track skirt into the sail track on the underside of your awning, making sure that the tension straps are facing your vehicle. Locate the zip on the rear edge of the annex roof and zip onto the sail track skirt. To avoid damaging the zip, always support the weight of the annex with your leading hand. Locate the hooks on the opposite side of the annex and clip onto the spreader bar. Attach the 6 hook and loop straps to the awning's perpendicular arms. Make the annex taut by tensioning the straps on the sail track skirt. These may also be accessed from the vehicle access door inside the annex. Pull the base of the annex taut and peg into the ground through the D-rings. Adjust the awning poles beside the annex and attach via the integrated holding clips. Your retreat annex setup is now complete.